Modern automation system design embraces the collection and analysis of machine data to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and better manage equipment and processes. Unfortunately, these benefits can be very hard to achieve with equipment that wasn't designed with them in mind. But what if heritage machinery could be easily upgraded to suit current automation requirements? Hi, I'm Tim Webster. This is Industry Update Video. So in most factories, collection and analysis of input and output data is minimal. Machinery is rarely interconnected and instead is isolated in individual automation islands. Banner Snap Signal, distributed by Turck, is a hardware and software portfolio for integrating pre-existing equipment into the double IoT. Now, it provides data collection from heritage equipment and enables communication between automation islands in non-harmonized plants, all helping to achieve modern, integrated automation design requirements. Snap Signal enables data distribution, data visualization, trending, fault detection, alerts, and intelligent predictive maintenance at brownfield sites without the need to replace the entire control system. Banner Snap Signal is a modern solution for upgrading heritage or legacy technologies and translating between machine data formats. Now, to find out more about Turck's Banner Snap Signal, visit allthews turck.com.au. And thank you for watching. I'm Tim Webster.